I have a new thing. A microphone. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna honk. You ready? Honk. Okay. So I have to write a paper. And I did write some new stuff for chapter 7 of my book because I had the genius idea, very genius idea of rewriting and writing 2 chapters at the same time. I was rewriting chapter 7 while in progress of writing chapter 8, so now I'm just stuck. That's why I've been in a writing slump for like 2 months. Anyways, I gotta write this paper for my debate class. Bye-bye.